Hello everyone, welcome to my Python short video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use condition statement in Python. My name is Chenrui. Let's get started. A condition statement, it's a statement that could be true or false. So it could form by a single comparison or multiple comparison using keyword AND or OR in Python. You are also able to negate any condition statement, so the result of it, we're going to flip it from true to false or from false to true. In order to show you detailed usage of those condition statements, I will need to go into my Python shell first. Now I'm inside my Python shell. I'm going to show you the first example of the condition statement that forms with a single comparison. So I'm going to create a statement. I just create a statement here that this statement is trying to say that 10 is greater than 5. Obviously, that's true. So if I hit enter, Python going to tell me that the result of this statement is true. But if we change it a little bit to 10 is smaller than 5, then this condition statement will going to become false because that's not true. So once I hit enter, the result will going to be false. So that's how to have a statement that compare two numbers. I show you these two examples so you know how to state that one number is greater than the other one and how to state that one number is smaller than the other one. But what if we want to state that one number is exactly the same as the other one? To do that, we're going to use double equal sign. So here I just create a statement that's trying to say that 10 is equals to 10, and obviously that's true. So once I hit enter, I'm gonna get the result true. And also you can have a statement that states that the left hand side number is not equals to the right hand side number. So as an example here, this statement is trying to say that 10 is not equals to 10, which will gonna become false because that's not true. So once I hit enter, I'm gonna become false. So that's for example of forming a condition statement using a single comparison in there. Now I'm gonna show you another example that has two comparisons in there to form a long condition statements. So I'm gonna use the keyword AND first. So now I have the first comparison, 10 is greater than 5, which are going to be true. And then I'm going to connect it with another comparison using keyword AND. So let's say if we have 10 that is equals to 10, which are going to be true as well. So in here, if I hit enter, then I'm going to get a result true. The reason I get the result true is when you are using keyword AND to connect two comparisons, then the whole condition statement we're going to return true if both of those comparisons are true. Otherwise, we're going to return false. That means if none of these two are true or one of them is not true, then I'm going to return false. For example, if we change the second comparison to be 10 is not equals to 10, which are going to be false, then this whole statement we're going to return false. All right, and you can also use keyword OR to connect two comparisons and to form a long condition statement as well. So in this case, I didn't change anything from the last example. So 10 is greater than 5, we're going to return true, and 10 is not equals to 10, we're going to return false. But since here we are using OR keyword, so that means we're going to return true if one of the statements, one of the comparison is returned true, or both of the comparison is returned true. So here I have one comparison is true, which will be 10 greater than 5, and another one is false. So the whole statement here that I connect to comparisons using keyword OR, we're going to return true. If none of those two comparison is true, then we're going to return false. So if we adjust the first comparison to something else, that is 10 smaller than 5, which will going to become false. So now I have both comparison in this condition statement to be false. So the whole condition statement we're going to return false as well. So that's how you connect two comparison in a long condition statement. Also, you are able to negate whatever the condition statement is. For example, here we have a last statement that we're going to return false, and if we put them into a parenthesis and we negate it, and if we negate it using a not keyword in front of it, and then we hit enter, then the result is going to flip from false to true. So you can negate any condition statement in Python. Alright, I think that's all for how to use Python condition statements, and we're going to use that once we learn if else statement, and also we're going to use it when we learn the while loop in the future. Hopefully everything makes sense. If it doesn't, please leave a comment down below so that I can answer you there. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'm going to see you in next one.